You've been crying about blowing your accounts, not being profitable. You even thought of giving up. You feel like the market is always against you. Or you are now guessing, well, trust me, this video is for you, and it's probably gonna be the best short and straightforward video you ever watched in your life, as it can take you from being a bad trader aka accounts blower, to being a professional trader aka profitable trader. It's all up to you and your mindset after all. The least I can do is sharing the information I have with you, and I'm planning to be doing it for free. Okay, first things first, let me introduce myself. Hey there y'all, it's your boy Event Slayer FX, aka ES_FX. You might be asking yourself why I'm putting these green and red arrows. It's simple, just to see where the market reacted and changed its direction. It's either it bought or sold. You can put as many as you like, as long as it's where the market reacted and changed its direction. I will try to put as many as possible arrows so that you see how I use this strategy effectively, and increase its win rate to up to 85% plus. This strategy works almost everywhere, in gold, aka XAU USD, in Nasdaq, in Euro per USD, and all other currency pairs. How's the background music? Too much, or too low, or perfect? Please react and comment so that I improve in the next video, if there will be one, ha ha ha, and also you can recommend songs you want me to play in the next video. Okay, the next step is trying to identify key areas, aka support and resistance. We will only identify strong ones by looking at the areas where the market reacted the most. You can use any time frame, but it works best on higher time frames like 1H, 4H, 1D. I personally prefer using 1H. You probably asking yourself again, what are these circles for? Well, my goal is to draw a rectangle, and it should have 3+ touches of where the market reacted. The more the touches, the stronger my support or resistance is, which leads to the market to mostly respect that area. This trend line is just to see the trend, which was obvious, and it mostly to decorate my setup, and make it look more clean and professional, ha ha ha, but after all, we are not gonna exactly use it in any way to take our trades. Then we move to the most important part, the rectangle. This rectangle is gonna be where we are looking to take our trades, and place our SL below it. So pay more attention to how and where I draw it. It should have as many as possible touches so that it be strong, and give us what we call sniper entries. In this case, mine has 4 touches, which makes it strong, and a good area to watch whenever the market is about to approach it. As we now have the area to watch, it's either the market will continue buying a little bit, then it should come back to retest this area, reject it, then it shoots up and continue uptrending. This is a random playlist, but I'm feeling this song. MT Da Hustler is really goated. The flow is insane. Bro was definitely at his prime here. Or, the market can buy a little, then instead of testing this area, it breaks through it, come back to retest it, then change its trend to downtrend. That's where we look for selling opportunities. Okay, after this let's forward the market, and see what it is, or let me just say we are applying what I just taught on the live chart, so pay attention, and focus. First, the market went up as it should do, then we see it break through this area instead of testing and rejecting it. What does that mean? It means our goal is now clear. We are no longer looking for buying opportunities, but we are looking for selling opportunities, and it's likely that the market will now downtrend. I said it's likely, which means it's also possible that it won't. After all, the market can do whatever it feels like doing. Let's continue fast forwarding it, to look for a retest and rejection. I will do a separate video on what key things to look for as rejections and confirmation.
So you know the real deal.
Okay, as we saw the market slowly go to our key area to test it, and we can already see that it is rejecting it. This is where we enter our sell trade, and put SL, a little above our key area, giving it some space to breathe. So please do say if I need to do a separate video, teaching y'all what to look for as rejections and confirmations. Either on comment section, or in my free setups and signals group. The link will be in description for those who are not part of it yet, and are interested in joining the winning team. For your take profits, aka TPs, it's simple, you look for areas where the market reacted, and it's now easy as we did that at first, by green and red arrows. TP1 is the guaranteed and safest area to exit and close most of your trades, followed by TP2, you can have 3, 4, and so on, but they are risky as the market barely go to them. Let's fast forward, and see what happens. Boom. Straight to TP1, that was quick, I didn't see that coming. TP2, just also got smashed quickly. See, in this scenario, even if you had TP3, it was still a win trade, as it went all the way down, but I personally recommend only 2 first take profits, TP1 and TP2, clean. As I said before, the playlist is completely random, ha ha ha, so don't be fooled by the background song, it's not my personal choice, I'm single as F. Fast forwarding, to see what the market does, after our successful trade. We are doing the same thing again, using the same key area. The price just broke through our key area again. You still remember what's the next step? Yep. The market should test our key area, reject it, and we enter buy trades as it rises. I'm feeling this song, to be honest. Fast forwarding again, as we wait for the market to come to our key area, patiently waiting. Assam, my love Assam. Here we are, now we are taking our buy trade. For SL, it's below the key area, giving it some space to breathe. For our TPs, it's simple. We look for where the market reacted, as I said before. The fact that we didn't put red and green arrows this time should not confuse you. That should be it. I'm now naming my TP1 and TP2. Then we fast forward to see how this one goes. Remember that there is no strategy that works all the time, so if it doesn't go as planned, I would not be that shocked. Yes, I will be shocked, especially if I entered, but not that shocked. Ha ha ha. Boom. TP1 smashed. Boom. TP2 smashed. I wonder why it just shoots like there's an event after we entered. That's it from my side. I tried to make this video as short as possible. Simplify everything, be as clear and direct as possible, and share all details about how I take my trades. If you find this video helpful, and you like it, you know what to do. If that's not the case, comment section is always open for complaints, and suggestions for better and pleasant videos in the future, and appreciation comments are welcome too. Goodbye, and take care. It's your boy Event Slayer FX, I'm now signing out, over.